Hey, it's a quick video on how to coach your child to study math by themselves at home with a suitable resource book, an assessment book, right? So first of all, when a child gets stuck at a question, the child gets to look at the answer key. Don't freak out yet, okay? Keep the answer key there, let your child look at it. But here is what you teach your child to do. Your child will look at just the first line in that answer key of that question and make sense of that first line in that answer. And if that first line of that answer doesn't make sense to them, they stop and ask you for clarification, the parent. So you come along and you only explain that line in that answer key. Not the entire question, just that line. After you explained it, check for understanding by asking your child to explain back to prove that he or she has made sense of it. After you're convinced, after you, the parent, are convinced that she is okay, she get it, then leave her be and she continues to analyze the rest of the answer. And at every step of the answer, at any point where she is stuck again and she doesn't get why that step is there, she calls you back and you explain just that one step. Now what this does is that it teaches the child to make sense of answers than just to repeat the steps of the answers. So the child repeats this process in analyzing the question, analyzing the answers until she gets it. And then she closes the answer key and tries and attempts that question again. After attempting the question, she can go back to the answer key and check whether the answers are the same or not. The steps can be different. Yeah, the final answer has to be correct though. The steps can be different because at this point, the child has understood what are the reasons for performing those steps in the answer key, and he or she can then decide how to approach this question. Yeah? This will be a very effective way to coach a child to be independent in studying and also removes the pressure from the parent to get a child to understand the solution from beginning to the end. Because I understand you parents, first of all, you're not trained to teach. And secondly, you don't have the patience, you don't have the time and energy to work with your child, especially if you have, 2 or 3 children at the same time, right? Alright, I hope this was useful to you. Spread this around, let the other parents know that this is the way to do it. I've been doing this for the past, right now it's like 14 years. And I understand how it feels to work with a child who's struggling and your patience are just wearing thin and you love your child, you don't want to boil up, right? Use this to help yourself. Yeah? More tips coming your way. Message me, contact me, connect with me if you would like more of these things. Perry Lai from changing my website, so it's now iamperrylai.com. iamperrylai.com. Talk to you soon. Bye.